Welcome, guys, to a journey of self discovery and holistic well being. Today, we dive into the mystical realm of spiritual planners, unlocking the secrets to a harmonious life. So, are you ready to embrace the magic within? Have you ever felt a longing for balancing your finance, health, relationships, and career? Comment yes if you think so. And don't forget to write from which city you are watching this video in the comment section. And those who are watching this channel for the first time, for them, welcome to the channel. And for your information, I make videos on well-being in each segment of life. Now here is the intro. Let's meet after the intro. What if I told you that spiritual planner could be the key to unlocking prosperity in all these areas? Hello everyone, I'm Prathibha, your friend on this transformative journey. Today we embark on a exploration into the profound impact of spiritual planner on every aspect of our lives. I am passionate about serving mankind by using natural healing techniques and color therapy, and today we step into a realm where spirituality meets practicality. But before we delve into the core of our discussion, let me share you a quick tip of the day related to our topic. Take a moment each morning to set positive intentions for your day using your spiritual planner. Now, this simple practice can set your tone for a day filled with abundance and joy. Now, ask me, what is spiritual planner? It's not just a tool, it's a companion on your journey, a roadmap to align your spiritual, emotional, and physical well being with your goals and aspirations. Today we will explore the incredible benefits of spiritual planner, how it can enhance your financial abundance, nurture your health, deepen your relationships, and guide your career path. We will uncover practical strategies to infuse spirituality into your daily life and manifest positive change. It's a small yet potent ritual setting the tone of a day filled with abundance and joy. So, are you ready to step into a life where magic and practicality dance hand in hand? Good. Alright, let's start with your finances. In your spiritual planner, create a dedicated section for financial goals. Write down what you want to achieve, whether it's saving for a dream vacation or paying off debts. Now, using this space to track your progress and manifest abundance. Your planner becomes a magic wand for turning financial dreams into reality and to bring prosperity into your life. Now let's focus on your health. In your planner, note down daily wellness affirmations. Now, The affirmations means the positive statements about your health and well-being. Use this section to set small health goals like drinking more water or taking a short walk every day. Right? Now your spiritual planner become your personal wellness coach, guiding you towards a healthier, happier you. Now, transitioning into health, discover how your spiritual planner becomes a companion in your wellness journey. Moving on to relationships, now create a special part in your planner for your loved ones. Express gratitude by writing down things you appreciate about them. Set relationship intentions. What do you want to cultivate in your connections? Your planner transforms into a love diary, nurturing and deepening your relationships. Now, thus, your planner becomes a sacred space for love and connection. Now, let's talk about your career. Designate a section in your planner for professional aspirations. Visualize your career goals and write them down. Use this space to set intentions for your work life, whether it's getting a promotion or starting a new project. Your spiritual planner become a career compass, guiding you towards professional growth and success. As we navigate these realms, I encourage you to actively engage in your journey. After this video, do these three tasks. Task first, reflect on financial goals. Second, incorporate a daily wellness affirmations. And the third task is express gratitude in your relationships. I made the video on these topics. I will share the link in the description in case you miss it. Just go and watch those videos too. Now I am repeating the three tasks again. Listen carefully, reflect on financial goals, add daily wellness affirmations for your health, and express gratitude in your relationships. Now, these simple actions recorded in your spiritual planner become a seeds for a flourishing and balanced life. After doing these continuously for 7 days, don't forget to mention the change in your life in the comment section. As we journey through these segments, take a moment to appreciate the simplicity of integrating your spiritual planner into your daily routine. Feel the positive energy building within you. As we have covered substantial ground, take a moment to breathe and observe the positive energy. Feel the shifts happening within you. As we conclude, consider subscribing to join a family dedicated to holistic well-being. Share this video with loved ones, as sharing is caring. If you think this video is useful, then hit that like button, comment below from where you are watching this video, and let's build a supportive community. Until next time, stay blessed, manifest your best life, and remember the magic resides within you. More power to you. Take care.